Hi guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. In this video today I'm going to show you how you can look for the updates, how you can check whether any updates are available for your Mac Big Sur operating system or not, right? And how you can update after checking that updates. So let's get started here guys, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and do subscribe the channel. So in order to look for the updates and in order to update your operating system, there are two different ways. First, you can go ahead and click on this Apple logo, which you can see at the left top corner, and then open the system preferences. So basically we are trying to open the system preferences here, and in the system preferences you can see there is an option coming up, software updates. So double click on this and open the system software update, and you can see here it's checking for the updates. Now after checking the updates, you can see there is an option coming up that an update is available for your Mac, and if you click on this more info option, it will give you the details that how much memory it will consume, and what would be the data of what would be the size of this update. So you can see it will take 2.4 GB of your internet to update, and you can see what bug it fixing here. You can see Mac Big Sur 11.2.1 addresses an issue that may prevent the battery from charging in some 2016 and 17 MacBook Pro models, right? So they are trying to resolve some battery charging issues, and this is the reason they have released this update. So in order to update, in order to implement this, just simply click on this install now, right? And the other way I explained you to open this system preference, the updates, is to just, you can see down to the bottom there is a system preferences option coming up. So directly click on this, go to the software update, and again you can see it will do the same thing. That means it will check for the updates from where you can directly update your Mac operating system here. So that's all guys. I believe I have cleared everything in this video. So once you click on this install now option, let's wait for it to update. It might restart your computer, so don't do any changes, don't do anything manually by yourself. It will do automatically everything, and once the update will complete, it will give you a final screen where you can log in. So that's all guys. I have cleared everything in this video. If you still have any query, any question, you can write in the comment section and I will be there to answer. Thank you.